Welcome to our video on Parrots Unveiled, Feathered Surprises. Today, we're going to explore some truly fascinating aspects of these vibrant and intelligent birds. So, let's dive right in and discover what makes parrots so extraordinary. Number 1. Masters of Mimicry. Did you know that parrots aren't just mimicking sounds when they talk? They can actually understand and use words contextually. African grey parrots, for instance, are known for their exceptional ability to mimic human speech and sounds, making them one of the most impressive talking birds. Number 2. Rainbow of colors. Parrots are known for their vivid colors, but did you know that these colors come from unique strictures in their feathers? These structures reflect light in different ways, creating those brilliant blues, greens, and reds that make parrots so eye-catching. Number 3. Lifelong companions. Some parrot species can live incredibly long lives. The average lifespan of a parrot is around 20 to 30 years, but some, like the macaw, can live up to 50 years or more in captivity. This means owning a parrot can be a lifelong commitment. Number 4. Brainy birds. Parrots are among the smartest bird species. Their brain-to-body size ratio is comparable to that of higher primates. This intelligence allows them to solve complex problems, use tools, and even understand abstract concepts like shape and color. Number 5. Social butterflies. Parrots are extremely social creatures. They live in large groups in the wild and have complex social structures. This social nature is why many parrots form strong bonds with their human families and can feel lonely or depressed if they don't get enough attention. And there you have it, 5 amazing facts about parrots that showcase just how incredible these feathered friends are. From their vibrant colors to their surprising intelligence, parrots are truly one of nature's marvels. Thanks for joining us on this journey into the world of parrots. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating animal insights. Until next time, keep your eyes to the skies and maybe you'll spot a parrot or two.